Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gina and then I want to presentation about the baby blues. So what are the baby blues? Baby blues are a feeling of sadness a woman may have in the first few days after having a baby, and then the baby blues can happen 2 until 3 days after having a baby. And then if you have sad feelings that lasts longer than 2 weeks, you have to call the health provider, and then we can call the postpartum depression. So what can you do about the baby blues? Number one, get as much sleep as you can, and number two, ask for help from your partner, family and friend, and then tell them exactly what they can do for you, and then take time for yourself. Ask someone you trust to watch your baby so you can get out from harm. Don't drink alcohol or drugs or something. All of this can affect your mood and make you feel worse. So the baby blues causes and risk factor. Number one, because hormonal change after childbirth, and a woman experience a big drop in estrogen and progesterone hormone level. And number two, physical change. So the length of the blues, in the most cases the blues lasts for only a few days and they're feeling fed. If the blues do continue and seem getting worse, you have to call the doctor and discuss the problem. Presentation about the baby blues is done. Sorry if I say wrong word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.